Do you want to cover your wall with wood? Get inspired to cozy up your home. Wood paneling acts as a sound and thermal insulator, brings a touch of nature into your home, and can serve as a striking design element. Wood paneling is a trend that deserves your attention. Wood paneling was mainly used in the past, symbolizing wealth and status. Wooden coffered ceilings and decorative moldings along walls were common, representing artistic and wood carving masterpieces that added authenticity and luxury to a space. With wood paneling, you can soundproof walls between rooms. Practically any type of wood can be used for interiors, as the most important aspect is the surface finish. The paneling should be properly treated, stained, and coated with a quality UV protective finish. How is wood paneling installed on the wall? Wood needs air, so it's ideally installed on a structure that creates an air gap between the paneling and the wall. This gap also enhances thermal insulation. When installing the paneling, consider the placement of the slats. Horizontal slats will visually extend and lower a room, while vertical slats will shorten and raise it. This way, you can adjust spatial shortcomings without reconstruction. Get inspired by our collection of ideas on how to panel your wall with wood. Let's get started.